Right, everybody, welcome to another video by Crypto Weapon, and this platform we're looking at today is called Fortuna. It's going to be a new platform that we're getting involved in. Let's take a look. So this is the opening page. So obviously it's been alive for 13 days. The deposits have been 164,000 and withdrawals have been 46,000. So that's pretty good. There's a good differential between what's been deposited and what's been withdrawn, so that's automatically a good start. However, we have to think about, this is what I absolutely think about, is the fact that this platform locks your capital in for the duration of the package. So the package is 14 days, I believe, 14 working days. Now you get your deposit back at the end of the 14 days. So therefore, I don't think anyone has hit 14 days yet. So this withdrawal is pretty low, but once folks start to pass the 14-day period of their package, they've got the option to decide whether they withdraw the funds or they'll obviously keep the funds in for another cycle. So the cycles are 14 days as far as I remember, but we will confirm that as soon as we get in there. So that's why this is pretty low, but I expect it to bump up as soon as folks start passing the 14 days. And that's a test of the platform. That's why after 14 days is a good test to see if these platforms can hack it, because people could just pull out all their money and it'll put too much strain on the platform. So we are going to enter very quickly, and I'm going to sign in. Okay, so after I pressed on the enter button, this is the platform, Fortuna. It's got all this Fortuna, the mighty goddess, bearing of abundance and prosperity. Okay, so boy, do we hope we're lucky in this platform. All this, so it goes straight into the packages. So this is the smallest package, so you're getting 2% every day for 7 business days. You can deposit between 10 USDT and 245. Your total ROI is 14%. So it's capital plus 14% in 7 days. Okie doke. And then of course you've got this one, which is 25% back. So you get 35% ROI. This is over 14 days. So the amounts that you can deposit are a bit higher in this case. So it's 250 to 2,499, and you get 35% in return. So remember guys, your funds are locked up for 14 days. There is a compound interest available, so that's an option that's available to you. So you could compound as opposed to withdrawing the 250 every day. And thirdly, this platform is 3%, so your initial deposit is much higher, 2.5K to 10K, and you're expected to benefit 63% of your initial deposit over 21 days. So that's a lot of payout for 21 days, but that's why we're in these platforms. They are high risk, high reward, and these look like the 3 platforms. When you start, you will get a 5%, 5 USDT initially in your account, so that's a good little boost to start. And I think that's the most significant thing about Fortuna as far as this page is concerned. Please feel free to read into what their thinking is here. Unlock the power of referrals, so you get 5% for everyone you introduce. So if you're a sharer, you could share the opportunity, tap into exclusive opportunities, learn and grow, supportive community. So please do feel free to read all that. Let's go to the FAQs. Let's have a look. So what's the most important ones? Because guys, they're all the same. Let's look at the minimum and maximum deposit. So your minimum deposit is 10. So again, we are all diversified. Diversification is crucial. So pop in 10 if you have to. If you had 100, 1,000, divide it between 2 or 3, 4 platforms that you trust and are willing to have a go with, and diversify. So you've got 10 to 10,000. What is the minimum withdrawal? That's a good one. There is no minimum withdrawal. Happy days. So you can withdraw 1 USDT, 2 USDT. So as soon as you make any sort of profit, if you did deposit 10 USDT, you would still be making cents in essence. Here bars, hear those bars that play on words. Anyway, yeah. So you'll have cents, and you would obviously you'd be able to withdraw that as there's no minimum withdrawal. Okay. Are there any fees for withdrawal? Okay, yeah. So there you go. The fees is 1.5 is applied to your withdrawals, which is not significant, which is pretty good. At least they're showing that they're taking some sort of money to run the platform for marketing, etc. So that is fair. And then we've got how to contact the support team. There are the details. I have had a support query with them, and I must say they did sort it out in the end pretty efficiently. I ended up having to go into their Telegram group to get it sorted, but I'll show you that in a moment. So please do sort of take a look at the Telegram group, see what they're talking about, the activity. As far as I'm concerned, it's got off to a good start and it's paying. Now I've been in here for 1 day, and we can go back to there and I can show you the inside of the platform. So I'm just gonna log in. Just bear with me. Right, okay, so we're into the platform. This looks like my dashboard. So 245 successful deposit. Remember, they do give you 5 USDT initially. I did this withdrawal and I received that today. That's a withdrawal I made yesterday. I deposited I think it's 245 I deposited, but I invested 250. So I think I deposited 245 simply because there was 5 USD in the platform already for me, and then that made the 250 that I needed for the package, which is 2.5% per day. Okay, so I get 6.25 USDT every day. Okay, so this obviously highlights what I receive, and I guess it'll go up as I keep going in the platform. And I think that's the story of it. Deposit, if you want to deposit, I guess you click deposit, you click the cryptocurrency you wish to deposit in, and I did USDT. You pop your amount in. If it's less than 250, it'll be 2% a day. If it's more than 250, it'll be 2.5%, and then the last package for 3% if it's more than 2,500 USDT. You submit, you'll get an address that you'll take over to your wallet, and you'll populate your wallet and you will make a transfer to the platform. So I think that's that. Now if we go across to my support ticket issue. Okay, so it was answered 2 days ago. Let's see if I could can I access it? Right, so I had an issue initially with my deposit. So this is before they changed the platform. So the platform was changed over to a more automated deposits are instant. So you should see your deposit inside 5 minutes and so forth. But when I deposited, which was on a Sunday, and today is Friday, so that was Sunday last week, tried to get in as early as possible. My deposit came into the account and then left the account. So I sent them a ticket probably 2 or 3 days later. Hi, can you please show my deposit? I deposited on Saturday and you made changes to the platform, but I don't know where my deposit of 200 USDT, why my deposit was affected. Please fix. Hi, can you please take a screenshot of your transition ID, probably transaction ID they want to say there. I did so. I sent them. Nothing was really happening on the day until I popped into their Telegram group, which I've just showed you, and then I sort of said to them, gave them a hurry along, sort of said to them, look. And as soon as I popped it on the Telegram group, they moved with a bit more impetus, and so that was sorted within 5 minutes of me putting my issue up on the Telegram group. So there you are. So at least they got it done, and then I managed to get my platform going. Now let's see. So you don't get paid on the weekend, guys. Just to let you know, it's Monday to Friday. So they're obviously telling me my next return is on the 24th, which is on a Monday. So I've got nothing to celebrate. You know, having joined the account, having joined the platform on Saturday, having to dither around with all that those tickets because my 200 USDT had disappeared. I got paid once, and now I have to wait another 2 days for the weekend. So that's a bit of a bummer. Right, guys, that's a new update on the platform. I'm diversifying. Please take your time to like, subscribe, and jump into the Telegram group. You can get updates from me. So I think on that note, we've covered everything that we need to. If it's something you're interested in, do your due diligence and take a look at it. I'll see you all on the next video.